Sweet Alyssum plant is one of the most beginners friendly flowering plant. You can just plant it and it will continue to produce scented flowers. In this video, we will talk about some key things on Sweet Alyssum plant care. Following these will give you even more flowering, so keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. The first and the most important thing in Sweet Alyssum plant care is to follow the season. Means if you grow them in the right season, they will definitely grow very well. You'll have to care less and they will grow more. Sweet Alyssum plant grow very well in a cool area. Below 30 degrees Celsius temperature is very ideal for their growth. You can start them in starting winters and they will produce flowers all over the winters and springs. While in cold climate countries, Sweet Alyssum plant is grown as a summer's flowering plant. It's because the summers aren't too hot in such areas. So make sure you are growing them in the right season. Winters for temperate and moderate climate areas, while summers for cold climate countries. Another important thing in Sweet Alyssum plant care is to use a good soil media. In general, they are hardy and grow well in variety of mixes. Either it's a little bit hard or poorly draining. But why take a chance? You can grow them in a well-draining soil mix that's also a little bit loose and porous. The roots will grow very healthily in such a mixture. Also, the plant will be more growing. You can make such a mixture right at your home. The recipe video is added in the description box. You can follow that. Another important thing in Sweet Alyssum plant care is to place it in an ideal spot. Ideal spot makes the plant even more growing. When it receives proper amounts of sunlight, automatically the growth will be far better than before. Ideal spot for Sweet Alyssum plant is a sunny area. It's a flowering plant and sunlight helps it to produce more buds and flowers. So at least make sure of 1 to 2 hours of sunlight, and more than that will be even better. In less light, the plant may show you slow growth and such yellowing leaves. So be careful, make sure of a sunny area, and for exploring more of such easy to grow cool area flowers, you can follow the description box video and do subscribe to our channel. Another key thing in Sweet Alyssum plant care is the pinching and pruning. Sweet Alyssum plant gets a lot of benefits from pruning. More buds grow, plant gets bushier, less diseases appear, and much more. So why not? Use a clean cutter or just use your fingernail. Chop off the growing shoots a little bit. This will enforce new shoots that will appear with a lot of buds and flowers. This thing is very helpful when the plant is younger, but make sure the plant is not under a disease. In that case, pruning have no use. You can prune whenever your plant grow long and bushier. Another key thing, but least important of all, is the fertilization of a Sweet Alyssum plant. It's a low feeder. Only a small amount of a fertilizer can do a lot of good. You can fertilize your Sweet Alyssum plants every 2 weeks. This will promote a lot of flowers on your plants. You can use any balanced fertilizer like this one. It's made at home only for flowering plants. It contains everything a flowering plant needs. You can also make this fertilizer using a few kitchen-based ingredients. Simply follow the description box video and apply it on your Sweet Alyssum plant at the evening time. Beside these, Sweet Alyssum plant doesn't need any special care. It's a very hardy plant and will survive no matter what. So follow them carefully and do subscribe to our channel. Here is a video on hollyhock plant care if you like to watch.